Okay, guys. Anyway, in the last class, we had a discussion on the consumer behavior changes and what are the reasons of that. How you need to be choose a best channel for the distribution of your objects or by the merchandises. So this class, I would like to continue on that with those aspects like channel design criteria under that the conditions. So once you understood about what kind of product you are having and relatively you are making that an appropriate product and appropriate changes you are going to follow. In the current state, which is going to be very clearly explaining the situation of the socialistic environment has been changed. It is not like 3 or 4 years back what we have seen that all the transactions everywhere restricted environmental factors. When you are running your organization, definitely the output has to reach to the market with the finishing product. As we know that economic, social, political, legal factors will definitely influencing on your product by positively or by the negatively. If at all positive is not an issue, if at all negative means what company has to do. So this topic is completely talking about the distribution channel alone. As you know about the current trend of distribution channel, whatever the information you are having and the following, whereas in the long term commitment, is that a good channel to continue or we need to be changed? Definitely changes are to be required, but you need to see that when compared to earlier channel versus the present channel. Now, a better understanding for you will go for a regular example online classes versus offline lectures. So, online classes are something new to you, you have never had an experience in earlier. Now, whether online is bad, not absolutely. Now, we are also having different kinds of setbacks, and those setbacks cowardly, if you are following, then definitely which is going to be a good one. Now you are having an option like mute your video. Now if you are unable those things, the moment you are joining in the class, automatically video will be open, you cannot able to unmute. So then what will happen, we will come up with the proper dress code and I can able to see whether you are continuing the lecture or not. So when you are having these kind of changes or by the modifications, and relatively we can go for the best. So here also the momentism you are following about by the or selection of the channel, everywhere we are having by the problems. We need to be changed according to the subjectives. So terms and conditions also to be compulsory required when you are distributing your products. Next, competition. When you are selecting that any distribution channel, you must be think about competition. What kind of distribution channel we are selecting? Are there enough competitors in the market to delivering of the products or not? Even before we are selecting any marketing channel, we would have come across by the SWOT analysis of those companies. What is the share of our firm in the market, and as well as how far you are having connectivity like rural, semi-urban, urban cities, metropolitans. How many contacts you are having to delivering of those products? What kind of designing strategies you are make sure to follow that updating yourself will be definitely monitoring by the companies. Now, most of the companies they were showing interest to deliver their products through Amazon or by the Flipkart or something else. Why they are looking? Because they are a well established existing distribution channel, and as well as they are updating they themselves. Last 2 days they have given offer like Amazon Prime member. So if you want to become a Prime member for 1 month, 129 rupees something. For 1 year means 1000 rupees something, or you want quarterly means 400 rupees. So why they are giving these kind of offers? If you are joined as a Prime member, you can able to find your product within 24 hours at your home, and as well as this is a benefit for the company because of you are getting membership, we are getting additional income. So how they are updating themselves, what kind of features they are providing, and will be also monitored by the companies before they are selecting about appropriate marketing channels. So the decisions will be definitely influenced on major competitors in the market. As we know very well, WhatsApp. Nowadays, all group messages are mostly will be passing through the WhatsApp. WhatsApp was hired by Facebook. Now, Facebook, how they are incurring money because of by promoting by different sort of advertisements. They are getting $1 trillion. But when it comes to the Facebook, there is no advertisement. Sorry, when it comes to the WhatsApp group, we are not getting any advertisements. What Zuckerberg was said in future, I'm going to introduce advertisements in WhatsApp group also. So in future forecasting he is having, and relatively he bought WhatsApp by now itself. So the major competitors in the market, what they will think, the moment when I bought the WhatsApp group and WhatsApp group relative competitors are not available. Of course, we are having an Indian app called Telegram. But even though Telegram was not that much familiar, most of the people they don't know whether this kind of app is available. So when compared to futures wise, also we can able to find out by some sort of difference. In WhatsApp group, 250 members are something maximum, whereas in Telegram, 20,000, 2,000 also you can able to add the members. Many things will be having that difference in the future base. But what I want to tell you is, according to the distribution channel, according to that in the marketing scenario, they want to become a market leader. They want to be number one, and whatever their products also to be like a number one products to be available in the market, and those kind of equal competitions will be there in the market or not. That is also will be having a look off by the companies before they are giving offers to you for the distribution of the products. And the next important thing is the entire world is turned around one of the important concept that is called as a cost concept. If you are producing a product or rendering any kind of services, what is the influence, the level of influence on the consumers? Whether this is high level of influence or by the low level of influence. But according to the Indian constraint, cost, the prices are the important elements where this will decide whether to buy the product or not to buy. When it comes to the other countries where they are having earning power is very very high, they will talk about quality of the product, goodness of it will be the important for them. So according to the Indian territory, we are seeing about the distribution system should be charged very very nominal cost, nominal expenditure for the distribution of the products. Every year we are spending lakhs and crores of rupees for distribution channel, vehicle maintenance, repairs, and etc. purpose. So even if you are minimizing the cost, if you are minimizing the expenditure, then ultimately you can able to say like the whole distribution cost was reducing. So distribution cost also one of the important element. They will compare with company to other companies. Next, coverage. So what is this coverage? What we are going to be covered? Now, Professor Sheldon also saying very clearly in the entire market, everybody was targeted. I'm also targeted for buying of certain products. You are also targeted to buy certain products, and you cannot able to escalate. You cannot able to say like I don't know anything because everybody was targeted and relatively they are performing by the duties. Guys, just a minute. Sorry, guys. When it comes to the coverage, everybody was targeted in the market. Nobody was exempted. So certain companies they were targeting buyers. They will be buying these products only. So relatively, we need to provide products for them. So according to your taste and preferences will be known by the companies because of already they have gathered the information about your geographical location and relatively they will be targeting you to rendering of the products. Whereas when it comes to the coverage refers which is completely talking about the distribution channels in specified location, how many outlets you are having. For example, I am choosing that Shadow Fox courier service. Now, Shadow Fox courier service, how many branches they are having all over India? So I have found that many branches they are having. Okay, fine. Now, mostly what it will happen is my products will move from Delhi to Chennai, Delhi to Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh will be very very high. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Chennai. So now what I decided is how many outlets you are having at Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and Chennai. I would like to collect the outlets. So they are having more than 25,000 outlets in these three states alone. Then I will be very happy, very comfortable because you are having multiple branches because mostly people will have 1,500 or 2,000, but you are saying like 20,000. So n number of branches you are having by these three states. Whenever, wherever the corner I would like to transfer the products, I can prefer through your distribution channel, because you are covering with almost all the areas of the three states. So that also will be considered by the manufacturers before they are selecting you as a channel member. Next, competence frequently overlooked criterion in designing the channel. As we know very well, the companies, they were having a keep on eye on the competency levels of the institutions. If I found that you are a very good distribute channel member, I will definitely deliver my products to you. If I found that you are not a good one, then I will ignore you. This is easy for every manufacturer. But what is the challenging task is here, I'm going to choose you as the best, and I'm delivering all the products with your organization for 1 or 2 years. And later that, I was understand very clearly you are not up to the mark, you are not updated. So that ultimately what will happen? I need to choose somebody else who is doing the best businesses. So the competency level, because always I require number one distribution channel. I don't want third or fourth place of distribution channel. The moment when I have first class competency level of distribution channel, there is no delay, there is no damage of product. I did not worry, I did not have any kind of tension whether this has been reached to the particular customer or not. I don't have any kind of problem because I have chosen the number one person. So companies also will be fighting to join those kind of distribution channels. Even they are charging one price, sorry, 1 rupee extra also, they won't be bothered and they won't be worried about to pay money, because nowadays time is precious. That is why this prime time and the delivery of the product and the availability of the product only for 2 hours, 3 hours, like that they are giving the timing. And that is the reason they are giving tracking of the product. Now product was shipped, which is going to be delivered within today or tomorrow with OTP number. So why they are doing? Because time is precious. On time delivery is going to be very very important. If I'm not delivering the product, definitely you will make a call to toll free number. I'm not received my product. That is like a negative image of the companies. So they don't want those things, so that immediately they will do some sort of changes. So in the firm competency levels also, when they are talking with the distribution channels, there will be a administrator. So what is the duty of this administrator? He needs to identify who are the channel members, who are the channel members. Now, how they are distributing the product. If I want to distribute the product through internationally, globally, do you have marine service? Do you have air cargo service? They will be observing everything. After that, they will talk about terms and conditions. Who should have the control over there? Before we are deciding that you are the distributor channel for on behalf of my company, we will have a discussion on that, the terms and conditions. We will just give you back to you. Now, what you supposed to do? Insurance, you need to be take care. Travel and everything you need to pay. Timing and the tracking system, everything you need to be arranged. If in case product was failed to deliver, you need to pay for the deformation. Product was damaged, you need to pay. So all these terms and conditions we will be discussing, and then people will be entering into the contract. So the control of company will be listing out the control factors of the others also will be mentioned very clearly so that relatively they will be understand what we can do it. Next, we need to talk about the franchised channels. So, what is the role and importance of the franchised channels? As we know that the franchised channels are working on behalf of the company. So, what they are doing on behalf of the company, they will get license, authorization, and then they will be doing that business on behalf of them. Now, how many franchises we are having? All the franchises they were very clearly defined. This is what you need to be perform on behalf of the my company. If in case you are not performing or you are failed to complete by the particular task, then what kind of deformation I can able to file? So who are all going to be involved in the franchisee? Guys, just a minute. So already they have given very clear directions. So this is what you need to be performed and relatively they will do it. But even the companies are they are very much comfortable when they are don't have any kind of intermediaries. So if they don't have any kind of intermediaries, they can directly pass the communication to them. Even if they have franchises, they can send a fax or a mail or some sort of nowadays the telephones are very popular devices, so any corner of the world, within fraction of seconds, you can able to send the information. So the strong contractual agreements, commitments to be required for one to another. Okay, guys, these are all important points